time out, more than just a break. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used phrase in the English language, time out. Have you ever heard someone say, "I need a time out," or "give him a time out"? If you're curious about what this phrase means and how to use it, then you're in the right place. Time out originally comes from the world of sports. In games like basketball or football, coaches or players can request a short break to discuss strategy, rest, or make substitutions. This break is referred to as a timeout. It's a pause in the game. In everyday life, timeout has been adapted to mean a short break or pause from any activity. Here are some scenarios. 1. Children and discipline. Parents might give their children a timeout as a form of discipline. This means the child must sit quietly for a few minutes, away from any fun activities, to reflect on their behavior. 2. Taking a break. If someone is feeling overwhelmed or stressed, they might say, "I need a timeout." This means they need a moment to themselves to relax or think. 3. Work and studies. In a work or study setting, taking a timeout might refer to a short break to recharge before returning to the task at hand. Let's look at some example sentences to understand how you can use timeout in your conversations. 1. The coach called a timeout to discuss the next play with his team. 2. After throwing toys around, little Jenny was given a timeout to calm down. 3. Studying for hours, Mark decided he needed a timeout before continuing. And there you have it. Timeout is a versatile phrase with origins in sports that's found its way into our everyday conversations. Whether it's in a game, as a form of discipline, or just taking a short break, it's a handy phrase to know. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and usage. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your English vocabulary.